So as we can see here, 3mm gap is side to side of the boards created by the hidden fastener, and a 6mm gap here has been created at the end of the boards for expansion. And you can see that a 3.6 metre board has been used all the way down. It's quite a large project, this one. And then we will come to the next 6mm gap here that it's been installed with, again for expansion, and then another board's been used right to the very end of the project. So this decking here has a double border around the outside. When they've come to lay the first board going across the deck, I've used a 6mm packer here to ensure that 6mm gap is left at the ends of the boards for expansion. You can see on the other boards previous to it